Hey there, grocery-saving superheroes.
Are you tired of your wallet feeling the pinch every time you hit the grocery store?
Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to share with you the 5 best ways to save money on groceries this week. Get ready to conquer the aisles and keep your budget intact. But before we dive into this world of budgeting bliss, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up.
Alright, let's get started.
What if I told you that you could become a master of grocery shopping and save money like never before?
Stick around as we navigate the world of coupons, meal planning, and the occasional ramen noodle. Let's become grocery-saving superheroes together.
So, you want to budget $100 a week on groceries?
Challenge accepted.
First, let's take a look at how you're currently spending your grocery money. What are your habits, and what can you change? Now, meal planning and creating a shopping list will be your secret weapons against impulse buying. And don't forget to hunt down those deals and sales. They're waiting for you. Have you ever tried meal prepping or getting creative with leftovers? Trust us, it's a game changer.
And remember to keep an eye on unit prices to spot the real deals.
By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. If you thought $100 a week was challenging, buckle up, because we're about to live on just $20 a week. Stock up on low-cost, nutrient-dense foods, and say goodbye to pricey processed snacks. Utilize community resources like food banks and community gardens, and try making homemade versions of your favorite treats. Stay organized and creative with your meals. Can you turn a humble can of beans into a culinary delight? And don't forget to keep an eye out for manager's specials and clearance items. You might just find some incredible deals. So, you're a frugal grocery shopping master, but how low can you really go?
Let's explore some bare bones meal plans and strategies.
Even on an extreme budget, nutrition is key. Master simple, satisfying dishes and consider going meatless or reducing your meat consumption. And why not try growing your own herbs and veggies for the freshest ingredients? Learn how to make your own bread, pasta, and other staples.
Channel your inner Italian grandma.
And stay resourceful and vigilant, be ready to seize a great deal when it comes your way. Inflation is like a supervillain for grocery budgets, but fear not. We've got the tools to fight back. Adapt your shopping habits and explore tasty alternatives to expensive items. Plant a vegetable garden or join a CSA program.
Stock up on non-perishable items when prices are low, and team up with friends and neighbors for bulk buying. Stay informed about inflation trends and cut back on high-priced items like specialty coffee or branded products.
Finally, stay positive and focused on your financial goals. With determination and savvy strategies, you can emerge victorious. Congratulations, grocery shopping superheroes! You've journeyed through the treacherous aisles of the grocery store and emerged victorious.
With these money-saving strategies, you're ready to tackle any grocery trip with confidence.
Now, let's take a moment to bask in the glory of our grocery savings. Who knew frugality could feel so fabulous? Before we wrap up this video, we'd like to remind you one last time to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found our tips helpful. Remember, with great budgeting power comes great responsibility, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Thanks for joining us on this epic quest to save money and become grocery shopping superheroes. If you have any other budgeting tips or tricks, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And as always, stay tuned for more money-saving advice in future videos. See you next time. Check out our other videos for more tips.